Welcome back, my creative and curious friends! In this sixth part of the tutorial on how to digitize fashion sketches, we'll see how to edit clothes paths which were previously created. Let's continue then. After creating the path, we carefully arrange each of its anchor points, transforming them if needed. In order to modify a path, we'll have to select its anchor points, either all of them or only some of them. We can do this by using the Direct Selection tool from the vertical toolbar in the Pen tab. By holding the Shift key, we select multiple points at a time. Or we can select multiple points using the Lasso tool from the vertical toolbar. To select an entire path, we can use the Group Selection tool from the vertical toolbar in the Pen tab. The selected anchor point has a full square symbol, while the unselected point has an empty one. Corner points can be converted into smooth points or vice versa by activating the appropriate tool in the Convert tab from the horizontal control panel. We can also convert an anchor point more accurately through the Convert Anchor Point tool located in the Pen tab within the vertical toolbar. The Pen tool also becomes a Convert tool when placed onto an anchor point, while holding down the Alt key. In order to convert a corner point into a smooth point, drag a direction point from the corner point. In order to convert a smooth point into a corner point without direction lines, simply click on the smooth point. To convert a corner point without handles to a corner point with independent direction lines, we'll first transform a corner point into a smooth point with direction lines by dragging the Convert tool. Then we'll release only the mouse button and drag a handle in the required direction. The exceeding points can be deleted or added once selected simply by pressing the minus key or plus key respectively. The Pen tool also becomes a Delete Anchor Point tool when placed onto an anchor point. While if it is positioned on the path outside of the anchor point, it becomes an Add Anchor Point tool. I'd like to point out that the path of the shape of the dress can be more complex and contain more than one closed path. For example, in the case where the figure's limbs are crossed over one another or the body. In this case, some operations should be performed on the paths by activating the Pathfinder panel. We won't be discussing these topics today. Well, my friends, we're done with the sixth part of my tutorial. In the next video, by using the pen tool once again, we'll create some open paths to outline details of our fashion sketch outfit. Please remember to like the video and comment on the content, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming video releases. Visit and follow my profile on Instagram as well if you like it. Bye! See you next time!